Abidoye. I'm the District Governor, Rotary District 9112. Today is the official visit of Ikoyi Metro. And for your records, they were the best club in the district last year on all fronts.
My name is Rotarian Layi. I'm the impactful president, Rotary Club of Ikoyi Metro, otherwise known as the Pride of Rotary. Today is a very significant year. We have actually started the new Rotary year of 2026-2027. What we had today is an impactful visit by our impactful DG Layi Abidoye. We started the meeting by having a section with him, a board session, where he reviewed our workbook submitted for him for this Rotary year 2026-2027. After the review, he commended the club for the culture and the sustainability plans that we have in place. And we are looking at, he equally advised us on areas where we need to either improve or maybe fasten the seat belt in the areas where we are doing well.
Well, it's always a thing of joy and glory for DG to pay a courtesy visit to our club as one of his functions for the Rotary year. I am so elated, I am so glad. Our club came best overall club for the district last Rotary year. We came first position in 7 areas of focus and then second in 2. And by the grace of God, we are going to be repeating the same feat this Rotary year.
Like any other person, of course, I feel elated. I feel good that this is happening, or this happened in my time as president of the club. Of course, like I always say, it's not about me alone. I work with people. I only provided leadership required, and I was able to motivate people to get to these heights, and I feel very happy. Talking about number of awards, I don't have the number. I have a long list of plaques displayed. However, in the real assessment, in the real evaluation of clubs in the district, we have over 90 clubs, and they're evaluated in about 10 major categories. Out of the 10 categories, Ikoyi Metro came first in 7. And that covers even membership, public image, service project, payment of dues, booth exhibition, 7 categories. And then we came second in 2 categories, club administration and DWF. There's only 1 category, we did not come first. We're not part of the first 5. It's possible we're part of the first 10, but we're not part of the first 5, and that's youth service. And like I said, the biggest room in the world is the room for improvement.
Yes, for my club is nothing less than what we had last year. And we are intentional to impact, to create a very great impact, in line of sustainability, because we're very intentional about sustaining the achievements of last year and adding. We're not removing, but we want to sustain, retain, and then have some addition.
I think the winning formula basically is being part of the people, being part of the club. There's a difference between being a leader and just taking a position. So when you take up a position, you understand that you're a leader. You should be a leader. So what you've got to do is make sure you're part of the people. Make sure that you engage them. Make sure that they understand you, understand them. Let your vision be made known and let everybody key into the vision.
I have no doubt in my mind that the club has been known for good the last 4 years. When you check their records, when they plan something, they always surpass it. And they are on the right track, surpassing this again.
So all I would say that current president should listen to people, should consult wide, and will replicate it.